Hello there YouTube, Escargo80 here, coming back at you with another J. Scott Campbell online store unboxing. This time we have the Phoenix Resurrection set cover A and B, and we will be checking for a remark hopefully. It's just arrived today. It's a bigger box this time, so I'm a bit excited for it. I don't want to butcher the whole box. Alright, here we go. Oh, there is another one. All right. So let's see what we got inside. No sketches, nothing special. Cover A. Alright. Haha, very nice, very nice. The holiday print, okay, thank you. The cover A, signed. And we got cover B here. So let me unbox these and show them properly to you. And voila! Here is my set A and B, just looking gorgeous. Several artists announced and made some exclusive variants for this particular issue, Phoenix Resurrection, the Return of Jean Grey. Such as Greg Horn, Mark Brooks, Delodo, Art Germ, but I think J. Scott Campbell nailed with his sets. He made 8 covers and 14 sets, including premium sets of 4 and I think an ultra sets of 8. So you were able to get the whole 8 cover, and unfortunately they are sold out right now at his website, but you can join the wait list and who knows, you may get lucky. And I don't even live in US, so just check out the quality, and this packing is first class. I live overseas, and this nice Mylars or Mylis, I don't know. Huge congratulations to his team, and the colors are so awesome, and the quality of the book is, the condition is like straight 9.8, man. All right. So there you go. This is the set A and B, the signed copies. It came also with a very, very nice bonus print. Let me show you. Here's the holiday greetings print. That's what about J. Scott. He does these little things for his, true fans, and we really like him for that reason. So thank you guys for watching. I'll soon make some haul videos. I was waiting on hold for some big books, but I'll be back with you guys very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so very much and have a great one. Thank you.